Hi, I am Binuddin, B.Ed third sem student of Ramakrishna Mission Shiksha Mandira. Today I will class about speaking English. You know what is speaking English? Okay, let's say speaking English. Speaking English is a part of communication. Speaking English is a part of communication. Before we going to speaking English, first we learn about language skill. What is language skill? Okay, language skill is crystal put our thoughts, put our ideas to others' mind. Language skill. There are four steps of language skill. There are four steps of language skill. Okay. First one is listening. Listening is the first step of language skill. Second is speaking. Speaking is second skill of language skill. Third is reading, and fourth is writing. Okay. So now we learn about speaking English. Speaking skill. Speaking skill. What is speaking English? Sorry. What is speaking skill? We know about speaking skill. Speaking skill is to speak something, to say something, to tell something, to pronouncing something. It is called speaking skill. In broader sense, what is speaking English? Speaking skill is it is not only pronunciation but also it is understanding the meaning of deeply word, the feeling of words. It is called speaking skill. But if speaker does not pronunciation properly, then also speak is not good for listener. Okay. So now I discuss about parts of speaking process. Parts of speaking process. There are two parts of speaking process. First one is speaking process, postures, and second one is speaking style. Now, what is speaking postures? Speaking postures is written a book, holding book. Are you standing? Are you sitting? Are you emphasis in the walls? In the wall is speaking postures. Okay. Second is speaking style. What is speaking style? Speaking style is proper pronouncing, speaking of words, pause, speedily, or sentence of the voice. If speaking is too high or too low, it is the problem for listener. Okay. Now we discuss about kinds of speaking skill. There are two kinds of speaking skills. There are two kinds of speaking skill. First one is loud and second one is silent. What is loud? There are two types of loud. First one is model and second one is recitation. What is model? When a teacher enters in the classroom and say something, to tell something, it is called model. Okay. And second one is recitation. What is recitation? Recitation is when the teacher enters in the classroom and tell some stories, some paragraphs, when it was called recitation. Recitation, there are two recitations process. First one is individual and second one is group. What is individual? When a student practice separately, individually, lonely, then it is called individual. And second one is group. When a group of members practicing something or some stories, then it is called group. Okay. Then it is complete. Then we complete loud, and second one is silent. Now I discuss what is silent. It is two parts of silent. First one is deeply, and second one is rapidly. First one deeply. What is the meaning of deeply? Deeply. What is meaning of the deeply? Deeply means they try to solve some problem to speak within themselves. Speak with themselves. Then it is called deeply. And second one is rapidly. What is rapidly? They speedily go for the paragraph, detailed paragraph writing. It is called rapidly. Okay. So we complete the kinds of speaking English. Okay. I think you understand the whole kinds of speaking English, speaking skills. Now I discuss the characteristics of speaking skills. There are 6 characteristics of speaking skills. First one is should be impressive, effective. There should be proportionally impressive and effective. Okay. Second one is clean pronunciation of the word. When the teacher say something to a student, then the teacher pronunciation will be good. Then the interaction is very good. Thirdly, speaking should be fluent. Teacher speaking should fluently. Regression speedily and gestures. 5 one is not use bad language or bad vogue words. Okay. It is called that there are 6 characteristics of speaking skills. Okay. Now I discuss there are some suggestions to improve speaking skills. Okay. There are some in the speaking English. First one is the knowledge of language. Teachers knowledge should be properly and fluently. Having the presenting thoughts or ideas. Third is communication medium should be clean. Teachers and student communication should be clean. Then speaking English is very good. Environment should be properly and very correct. Gestures, facial expression and others, it will be correct. And attractive use of vocabulary. The teachers should be know many vocabulary words to impress speaking skills. Okay, so we complete I complete speaking skill today. Okay, then what we learn from today class, we learn from what is language skill, what is language skill, then what is speaking skills, kinds of speaking skills, and characteristics of speaking skills, parts of speaking skills, process, and how to improve speaking skills. Okay, thank you.